Hello everyone around the globe. I am Effendi from TravelTuber. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of the Huawei GR5 2017 premium version. We've raved about the Huawei's Leica phone's photography prowess, and we even use them for in-house product photography. But despite offering great value, they're also very expensive. So we were very interested when Huawei introduced a new budget model which costs almost one-third as much as a P10 Plus. I bought this phone yesterday night for a net amount of 22,000 taka. The 5.5-inch LCD screen is generally colorful, is full HD and relatively sharp at 403 pixels per inch. The phone comes with discrete plastic case which protects the rear and corners without masking its gorgeous design or making it look bulky. There's a fingerprint reader on the back which is fast and accurate. The OS has been updated to Android 7.0 Dhaka. The phone comes with 4GB RAM for stable gameplay and 64GB to store all your pictures, music or applications. The main rear camera is 12 megapixel, but it's joined by a secondary 2 megapixel camera with the flash on the right side. It is capable of producing sharp, well-focused and colorful pictures. The 8 megapixel camera was generally good and is able to produce decent, stable photos. Upon opening the box, you will find a manual and a warranty card along with this phone. Phone comes with a pin. This can be used to open up the SIM card and the memory card compartment. If you were to open the SIM card and micro SD card compartment without this specific pin, you might damage the compartment forever. So it is safe to use the pin which comes with the box. You can use a normal charger to charge this phone, not the new C-type chargers. You'll also happen to find a pair of earphones with it too. I also happened to get a selfie stick for free upon buying this phone. The market cost of this selfie stick happens to be 500 BDT. but I got it for free. This is a wired selfie stick which uses a 3.5mm jack to connect to your phone. As it is a free selfie stick, it really doesn't matter if it connects to your phone via wire or Bluetooth. It can be extended for up to roughly a meter. I'm really happy that I finally managed to buy this phone because I've been saving money for a really long time and I finally managed to buy it. See you in our following vlogs. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, like this video and comment down below if you have any queries. Till then, cheers!